once the solder is applied to both pieces, both sides, you clean the holes out. Yeah, keep in mind the bolsters are pre-fitted before you get ready to do all the soldering. That makes sense. But just thought I'd mention that just in case. Reason we re-drill the holes in both the liner and the bolster piece is so that you can use that pinhole for alignment.
Just tighten the end of it.
Just barely touch it, I take it.
Yep. Run them slow, pencil it back in. Check this thing, make sure it never warped. Careen it up again with acetone.
Yeah, that's to get the any burned flux, excess flux that might be on it. Applied a little bit of oil to the pin so it doesn't stick inside the hole. There's for each of the patterns that Tony makes, there's a little plate that he uses to help align the bolster during soldering. Also works for aligning caps and for cutting the handle material if there are angles that need to be matched on the inside of bolsters and caps.